Hello and welcome back to another Test Tube Tuesday. This week's experiment is a really neat one. It's called growing crystals. So our things we're going to need for this experiment today are going to be borax, a jar, some string, a pipe cleaner, pencil, and some measuring spoon. So you'll need your 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. You will want an adult to help you with this one because we do need very, very hot water, boiling water for this one. So make sure you grab an adult to help you do that. So let's get started right away. What you're gonna wanna do is set up your pipe cleaner and pencil and string first. So what you're going to do is bend your pipe cleaner into whatever shape you would like. We chose to do a pretzel, which you'll see in a minute. We have one made up, but I'll talk you through how to do this here. So you'll bend it into whatever shape you want. So let's say you just want a circle. Maybe wrap it around so that it doesn't unfold in the water. And then you're going to take some string and you're going to tie one end of your string to your pipe cleaner and the other end of your string to your pencil. And you're going to want to make sure that the string isn't too long and too short, because you want your pipe cleaner to be sitting in the water without touching the sides of the glass or without it being up out of the water. So we have our pipe cleaner with our string and our pencil all set up, ready to go. So what I did was I tied one end to the pipe cleaner here, and then I wrapped it around until I got it to the height I wanted it at. So as you can see, if I place the pencil on the top of the jar, the pipe cleaner will be in the water and not touching the bottom or the sides, and not out of the water. So you can set that to the side. When your water is boiling and ready to go into the jar, you'll mix 1 cup of water to 3 tablespoons of borax. So depending on your jar size, you could do a number, you could do different amounts. So we have, I believe ours is 2 cups of water. So I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of borax in our water. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so once you have your borax in your water, you're going to take a spoon and mix it up so that the borax is all dissolved into the water. It'll still look kind of cloudy, but it shouldn't be clumpy, or there shouldn't be anything on the bottom of the glass. So what you're going to do is take your pipe cleaner and pencil and string contraption, and you're going to put it down into the water. It'll sink, and you'll just let it hang there. It says for about 6 hours, so this is a great one to do in the evening and come back to it in the morning or the next day at some time. So we'll catch you back when this thing has sat for at least 6 hours. All right, so welcome back. It's been about 24 hours now. So we're gonna take our little pretzel, as we called it, out of our solution. So I'm gonna pull up on my string, take it out. It will be wet because it's still in the solution here. So I'm gonna place it on my paper towel. And you can kind of see already that there's all these funky crystal things. So I don't have a scissors to cut this off, but you can kind of see. And it's hard to the touch. And it just turned the color of the pipe cleaner. So I'm not sure, I assume the pipe cleaner is still in there. There's just stuff around it now. So I think that color is just kind of showing through. So there you have it. That's growing crystals. So show us what crystals you grew by sending us a picture to our email, info@generationsic.org, or by tagging us and using the hashtag GenerationsInvestigations on Facebook.